Want to add background music to your Canva presentation? Here's how to do it quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add background music to Canva presentation. First, go to canva.com and open your presentation, or you can click create a new one if you are starting from fresh. Click on a design and enter the editor. And now the second thing is you have to download a music. You can use website like Pixabay, Mixkit, or free music archive, and then find a track you like, click download, and it will already save to your computer as an MP3 file. Now all you have to do is once you are open your presentation, go to this upload and select upload file. Now find your music file, like here is mine. I'm going to select this and select open, and once upload, it will appear under the audio section. Now select this, or you can drag them, and this already adds to my music section, and it's appear at the bottom of your screen, and that's called the timeline. Now you can adjust your song starts and ends by dragging this purple thing, and you can also select and adjust the volume. You can choose fade for more a dramatic look, and once you're happy with your music and everything looks fine to you, then you're done. Now all you have to do is go to share and select download, and you have to download it as a PPTX, and it will already download it in your computer. And it's super easy, fast, and you don't need any extra tool for this. I hope this video helped you. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.